to die. I think I'm going to kill them. Madam?
Sophia, are you ready to make a carrot salad?
Yeah!
Ooh.
Can I play with that green thing?
Okay. Well, you make a salad out of it. It's not a playing thing. It's not a toy.
But I want to play with green things.
Hold on.
It's not that bad. Dear.
Sophia, we're going to make a salad out of these. Want to try?
I want to try
Here
this.
goes. Yeah. How does it taste? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you sure?
Oh, I don't know good. I don't know good.
Sophia, what color is this?
Green.
Green?
Yeah. Green, green, green. You're always so good at this. Why you
We'll take the tough stalks out, okay? We keep only the soft ones. They're too hard to eat.
Look at this. They're like chopsticks.
They're like chopsticks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's chopstick.
All right. There you go.
I want to help. I want to help too.
Okay.
Chopstick. It's a chopsticks. Ah, a chopsticks.
Okay. And now we need some carrots.
Now I want to go.
How about this big one?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat the not too much. Here's the chopsticks.
Sophia, look at these. These are called as carrot curls.
Mommy, look at me. Look at me. And carrots. I'm breaking in small pieces. We don't put it there.
We want it there, Sophia. Those are clean.
Ew. It's a carrot bit.
Carrot bits?
Yeah.
Oh, what are you doing with them?
Oh, I'm making an ant with this.
You're making an ant?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks really cool.
These one, this one, the eye, the other eye. I can zip it.
Do you like it?
Zip it more. It's a chocolate noodles.
Yummy. I like the dressing. Okay, that's it. I need to add it to the salad, okay? Can you help mix it with your hands? Hold on, hold on. Mommy is going to pour it. You have to mix the salad. Ooh.
What do I do next? Cut. Ooh, yummy. Done.
All done? You want to try it? You want to try a piece of carrot? How is it? Is yummy?
Put it in.
Do you like the dressing? Is yummy, Sophia?